This program simulates a shopping cart system where users can add or remove items. And once they are done, the program calculates the total cost of the items in the cart. The management cart function handles adding or removing items from the shopping cart, which is a dictionary. And yung parameter po natin is cart, action, item, and yung price is equals to 0. Bali yung price is equals to 0 po is a default value. Kapag po nagre-remove tayo ng item, nag-auto, po siya, 0 yung cost. If the action is add, the function adds the item to the cart dictionary with the corresponding price. If the action is remove naman po, the item exists in the cart, the function removes it from the dictionary. Ngayon naman po, kapag po yung user nagtry po siya na mag-remove ng item na hindi po nag-e-exist dun sa cart, magpo-provide po siya ng invalid action or an error message is displayed. Dito naman po sa may cart variable natin, it will be used to store the items and their prices as the user adds or removes items. This while loops naman po allows the user to keep adding or removing items from the cart until they decide to exit. Sa may action input naman po, yung program po i-ask niya yung user kung gusto niya po bang mag-add or mag-remove ng item or mag-exit po siya by typing no. If the user types no, the loop breaks po and the program proceeds to calculate the total cost. Kapag naman po yung user pinili niya yung add or remove, the program asks for the item name. And kapag naman po pinili niya yung add, magtatanong din po yung program kung ano po yung price ng item nung nilagay niya. Then kapag yung user naman po pinili niya yung remove, the management cart function is called to remove the item. Kapag naman po naglagay yung user ng action na hindi po add, remove, or no, the program will print an error message asking them to enter a valid action. Sa may cart.values naman po, this returns a list of all the prices of the items in the cart. Then, yung sum naman po, i-add niya po lahat ng prices para makalculate niya yung total cost. Then, sa pinaka-last po, i-display po ng program kung magkano po lahat ng babayaran ng users.
This code simulates a simple shopping cart system where users can add or remove items and then calculates the total cost. So, nakapag-add na po tayo ng item which is yung apple and then yung with the price. So, madi-display po yon sa current cart. So, mag-add pa po tayo ng item. Same process lang po. Ita-type po ni user yung add and then the name of the item. Like, kagaya po nito, banana. And then the price, 0.75. And then, madi-display po doon yung apple and banana with their price po. User chooses to add more item, name grapes with the price of 2.5. So, if gusto po ni user mag-remove ng item, same process lang po. Ang ita-type naman po ay remove and then the name of the item na i-remove. Kagaya po dito, ang i-remove po natin ay yung banana. So, madi-display na lang po niyan ay yung apple and grapes. If gusto nyo na po i-end yung program or yung code, ita-type lang po yung no and then madi-display po doon yung total cost ng remaining item na nasa cart. Like, kagaya po nito is 4.0.